My name is Braxton Borner. I'm an alto sax player from Racine, Wisconsin.
Well, we're happy to have you here. Thank you for visiting.
I'm glad to be here.
And you are?
Hi, I'm Angelique. I'm from Jupiter, Florida. I'm the assistant.
Awesome. Thank you for coming. The birds have never heard saxophone music before. And so if you want to do a little bit, it might frighten them. If it frightens them, they might come off their stands. If they come off their stands, then I have to rearrange things a little bit.
Let's see if I do it right then. We got the approval so far.
Wonderful. That sounds beautiful.
Molly likes it too.
Molly likes it.
Yeah.
Molly's singing.
She had a perfect pitch.
Molly likes the singing. He likes to sing. And Batman is a very good singer, but he likes flute music the best.
Flute.
If you have, he's into flute music. He has got, every bird has, we've had a few music program going on for a while, and we have different kinds of music, and we want you to come in, and if you don't have a wonderful instrument like that, then you can play cell phone music. Some of them like reggae best, some of them like Donna Summer's disco type stuff best. They all have, he's liking you, what you're doing. Whoa, the best.
He wants more.
All right, I'll give you something.